This is the Breville kitchen toaster oven. It does it all. You can see the presets from toast, bagels, bake, you name it. We're going to make some pizza right now to demonstrate what this machine can do. So here's our frozen gluten-free pizza, and we set the timer to 400 degrees at 15. It's warming up, and when it reaches that 400 degrees, it'll start beeping, and then the timer will start. As you can see, the drawer opens up and the shelf pulls out just like that, and it's easy to get access to whatever you're making. So in goes the pizza, and we wait 15 minutes as we like the crust a little softer. Listen for the beep, open it up, and your pizza is finished. It's great. We use this more than any other kitchen machine that we have. Looks good. Okay. So let's try something else. Let's try a croissant. It looks like it's ready. Wow. How about we try some non-bread frozen? It looks like it's ready. And so this machine really is a must-have for any kitchen, for any cook. We do ribs, we do chicken, we do pork rind, we do sausages in it, we do everything in it.